it's always important to understand all of this to collect good data. As they say, junk in, junk out. We have to, measure at the correct location on the equipment that we're testing, and that means we must understand the equipment that we are testing and the failure mode. We must mount the sensor correctly and mount it in at the same position each time if we are taking contact measurements. If we're doing the handheld needle, then we must apply the same force. All these things, affect the measurements. And it's always worth, we do these things in the classroom, but, if you've got a device already, go out in the plant and just, go to a particular machine and move the sensor around. And if it's handheld, hold it with greater force and lesser force, and just see how it changes the measurements. The more you understand, the less likely you are to make mistakes or to sort of misinterpret the readings that you're taking and so on. So again, if you're taking airborne measurements, try to set out a route. Okay, I will stand here and I will, be at the correct distance or a repeatable distance, and always measuring at the same angle and ideally the same sort of ambient weather conditions. And of course, you need to set up the instrument the same way. There's lots of things we could talk about with the instrument setups and whatnot, but hey, there's only so much time.